Has it ever happened to you that you make a new schedule for study and within a short period of time you break the schedule? Every time you set a new goal for study and prepare a new plan, but it does not last long. Well, that happens with most people in the world. And it will keep happening if you do not understand the power of your subconscious mind. In today's video, we will learn how to use our subconscious mind and build long-lasting study habits. Before that, let's understand this. What do you think? Who does the breathing when you are sleeping? How is your body functioning? Are you doing this consciously? The answer is no. Since birth, these functions are happening automatically, naturally. Actually, it's our subconscious mind that is doing all these activities. With our conscious mind, we can decide what to do, what not to do. It helps us navigating through our life. But it's our subconscious mind that is actually running the body and your behavior. If a behavior is installed in the subconscious mind, then that behavior becomes automatic, just like your brushing habit. You do not need to think about it every morning. We can use the power of our subconscious mind to build great study habits, and then it will be just like our breathing, which happens without even thinking about it. Author Joseph Murphy, in his book The Power of Subconscious Mind, says that we can install a habit in the subconscious with repetition. Yes, with conscious repetition of behavior, we can install it in the subconscious. Author says if you repeat a behavior for 21 days, it will make it a subconscious behavior. And if you do it consistently for 90 days, it will become a lifestyle. Now, the irony is all our bad habits are formed by this technique only, like smoking habits. So next time when you prepare a new plan or schedule for study, you have to follow it consistently for 21 days. You'll have to put your effort for the first 21 days, and after that, it will become automatic. But sometimes it's hard to follow a schedule for 21 days also. In that case, we will have to go one step deeper and understand the science of habit building. Author James Clear mentions about 4 stages of building habits in his book The Atomic Habits. I have made a detailed video of these 4 stages. You can watch it by clicking the I button. Until and unless your subconscious mind accepts it, it will not work. Now the good thing is, the subconscious mind cannot differentiate between reality and imagination. So the best way to build a new habit is to start visualizing it. Yes, before you start a new habit, every night before you go to bed, visualize the next day. Take a deep breath and visualize yourself doing that activity, and do this every day. This will accelerate the process. As subconscious mind cannot differentiate between imagination and reality, so you can take advantage of it. So visualization can make this habit form even faster. When you are visualizing yourself studying, for your subconscious mind you are actually studying. So follow the routine for 21 days and use the power of visualization, accelerate the process. You will be shocked by the end of 21 days. So friends, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you found this useful, do hit the like button. Until next time, keep learning.